Lately, Kawasaki has been abuzz with the announcement of the return of their two-stroke dirt bike. Stories of a new era of two-stroke engines began to emerge before the start of the third round of AMA Supercross in 2025. Kawasaki made an interesting announcement, hinting at the return of two-stroke dirt bikes to its lineup. Not much was said, but the message was clear. As a simple response to the many inquiries asking for a new two-stroke dirt bike, Kawasaki replied, "We hear you." The message made everyone remember Kawasaki has a legendary cross bike that is very famous Kdx 200. Born in 1983, the Kdx 200 was not made to show off. It was made to dominate the trails. It's light, simple, and tough as nails. It comes with a 198 cubic centimeter two-stroke engine and handling that makes you feel like you can ride anywhere. It is the top choice of enduro enthusiasts around the world. The last time Kawasaki produced a full-size two-stroke dirt bike, the Kdx 200, was in 2006. After that, Kawasaki stopped production of the Kdx 200. For many of us, it felt like losing a part of our youth. It was the end of an era, the two-stroke motorcycle. But in 2025, Kawasaki just did the unthinkable. They brought it back. Introducing the new Kawasaki Kdx 200. Using the iconic 2006 Kdx livery, bright Kawasaki green color, bold black panels, and retro striping, this bike looks as good as it performs. Sleek, sharp, and built to move, this bike is made for riders who like to throw their bikes around on the highway. At the front, you have an upside-down front fork that is burly and ready to take a beating. And at the rear, a monoshock with linkage for strong traction even on difficult terrain. The lightweight aluminum frame keeps it strong yet agile, so you can ride it hard without wearing it out. Wrapped in Dunlop off-road tires and equipped with powerful disc brakes, the bike has the grip and braking power to match its heart. Under the hood, we will get a new 200 cubic centimeter two-stroke engine, but other details still remain mysterious. However, we just hope that whether you're climbing a hill or blasting through the jungle, the bike delivers instant throttle response. Unfortunately, this is only the result of AI. But if this happens, the new Kdx 200 is not just about the return of this bike, but about the nostalgia of two-stroke engines in the modern era.